Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of importing favorites and bookmarks in Chrome on your PC. Whether you're switching computers or just want to have a backup of your bookmarks, this tutorial will show you how. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. At the top right, click on the three dots icon, then select Settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, click on You and Google. Step 4. Now, click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. Step 5. Click on the box next to Favorite Bookmarks to turn it blue. Step 6. Next, click on Import. Step 7. Once the import process is complete, click Done, and there you have it. You have successfully imported your favorites and bookmarks in Chrome on your PC. Now you can access your favorite websites and bookmarks hassle-free. It's a great way to stay organized and have all your important links at your fingertips. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time.